Do it again, do it again. I would like to invent a new karate move.
Throw it up.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
Alright, go.
Same exact thing. Oh my god. A little bit higher?
Yeah. Make a big jump so it looks cool.
Woo!
Oh.
You did it last time though.
He hit it though, he hit it.
Yo, Chuck, look for them. Ready? Ready, ready?
Let me try again.
Yo, it's a back kick. You know how to do a back kick? Back kick, yo. Back kicks